Consumer financial distress is at a 12-year high, according to a freshly released Federal Reserve information, and a lot of that debt involves credit cards, with a record 1 in 10 people only paying the minimum on their balance in the final quarter of 2024. 2 News Oklahoma's Cathy Tatom explains millennials are looking for help.
When it comes to consumer debt, about half of millennials point to paying off credit card debt as their top financial challenge.
You don't really see a light at the end of the tunnel where you can actually get some relief. You kind of just sit on it.
Nonprofit credit counselors Money Management International is seeing a sharp increase in millennials seeking help paying off debt. The group now makes up 43% of its new debt counseling clients. And on average, they're carrying about $30,000 in unsecured debt. In Oklahoma, MMI saw a 34% year-over-year increase in the number of millennials seeking help.
And on average, they're carrying more debt than they have historically, not just unsecured debt like credit cards, retail cards, bank personal loans, but also things like auto loans.
So how does a person rack up so much debt? Typically, it's not spending sprees. It's things like
and your car breaks down, and then something in the house needs to be replaced. And all of a sudden, you've gone from, making it pretty well to really being in financial distress and not being sure how you're going to make these next payments.
Before choosing help with debt management, you need to do some research. Look for credit counselors affiliated with the National Foundation for Credit Counseling. Ask what fees are charged, and before signing up, make sure you understand your options.
About 1 in 3 clients that we work with engages with us long-term in what's called a debt management program, where we consolidate all their debt, work with their creditors to reduce the interest rates, and get them on a path to be debt-free within 4 years.
Millennials also tend to have more student loan debt. Now with repayment off pause, it's making it harder to pay down those other debts. In Tulsa, I'm Cathy Tatom, 2 News Oklahoma.